Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be doing something different. I love me some lemon pepper wings. I cook them all the time on the air fryer. And the other day I was thinking, what if I make lemon pepper shrimp? This recipe actually came out very delicious, so let's get into the recipe so I can show you how to make it. So we're going to start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to go ahead and put that in a bowl. We're going to mix 3 tablespoons of McCormick lemon pepper. We're also going to be adding 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and then a half of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And just go ahead and give everything a mix. Now we're going to go ahead and scramble 1 egg. We're going to be needing some egg wash. So these are large shrimp. I peeled them, divined them, and I left the tail on there. So go ahead and give a good coating of that seasoned flour and then dip it in your egg wash there. Now we're going to get a good coating of that egg wash and then we're going to drop it right back in that seasoned flour. Make sure you give it a good coating. Now be sure to shake off any excess. That's pretty much what you want it to look like. And to make it faster, you can just go ahead and dump everything in there and drop it in the egg wash and right back in that flour. Now we're going to go ahead and preheat our air fryer to 400 degrees and we're going to set the time for 12 minutes. Once you got your air fryer heated up, go ahead and put all your shrimp in there and just give a little spray of some oil, some spray oil. I'm using olive oil. And just close it up and let it do its thing. And in about 6 minutes, the halfway mark, we're going to go ahead and flip the shrimp. And be really careful because you don't want to break that batter. Spraying the grate with some olive oil is a good option. But just make sure you don't break the batter. And just close it up and let it do its thing. And once it's done, you got some beautiful shrimp right there that you can munch on. So what do you think about that recipe there? It came out very good. My wife loved it and it just hands down. You gotta try it. So if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so you see future videos just like this. Now if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section and I'll get back to you shortly. Oh yeah, I got these videos. They're very good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.